Hello everyone, I am Chef Munir El Hilali, and today I wanted to show you how to make this Moroccan dish of chicken, prunes, and carrot tajine. We need 1/2 chicken rinsed and cut into quarters, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander, 2 tablespoons honey, a bunch carrots, half large yellow onion, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup water, half bunch cilantro, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, and 1 cup dried prunes, and of course salt and black pepper. Smash and chop the garlic, chop the onion, cut the carrots into large chunks. We're going to cut it in half, then we'll cut it into about 2-inch pieces. Chop the cilantro, season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. In a Dutch oven, add about 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Heat it on medium-high, then add the chicken pieces skin side down first. While the chicken is browning, put the carrots in a food-grade bag. Add some salt, some fresh ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Close the bag and shake it very well to coat all the carrot pieces, and set it aside. When the chicken is nicely browned on one side, flip it over, and when it's nicely browned, transfer it to a bowl. Then in the same pot, add the garlic, fry it a little bit, then add the onions. When the onion is slightly soft and translucent, add all the spices. Stir them in to toast the spices. This will bring out a lot of flavor. Oh, the fragrance that comes out of these spices. It's such a unique combination. It smells really good. Then the glaze with the 1/4 cup of water. If you have chicken stock, you can also use chicken stock. And scrape the bottom to get all those brown bits and pieces of chicken off the bottom, because they're going to release a lot of flavor. Then turn the heat off, add the honey, add the cilantro, add the olive oil, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Stir everything very well. If you like a lot of sauce with your chicken, you can actually add some more chicken stock or water. But at this point, this looks just perfect, since the chicken is going to actually release some juices along with the carrots, and that's going to make a nice thick, very concentrated sauce. Return the chicken into the pot along with any juices that have accumulated. Get the chicken into the sauce. At this point, if you have a tajine, which is a Moroccan cooking vessel made out of terracotta, transfer the chicken and the sauce in it and proceed. Otherwise, if you don't have it, just keep going with the Dutch oven. Transfer the chicken and the sauce to the tajine, drop the prunes on top and spread them out evenly. Then drop the carrots on top, arrange them evenly on top. Top it with the lid and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 1.5 hours. And there it is. The aroma that comes out of this dish is amazing. Make sure you have plenty of bread to soak up this sauce. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.